So you're thinking about moving to San Antonio and you want little to no yard work and you want some modern urban luxury. Well, today we're going to be taking a look at this model home you see here behind me. So let's go ahead and get started. Hey y'all, if you're brand new to the channel and you want to know everything there is about living in San Antonio, Texas, then make sure to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you'll be the first to learn about the current market right here in San Antonio, Texas. My name is Brock and I'm getting phone calls, texts, and emails all of the time from folks just like you who are looking to move to San Antonio. And I just love when that happens. So whether you're moving in the next 7 days or maybe it's the next 7 months, please do not hesitate to reach out to me and get in contact with me so that I can help you and your family make a smooth move to San Antonio, Texas. Now, again, we are in the brand new community of Rose Hill by Chesmar Homes, located on the west side of San Antonio. You are super close to a ton of amenities here, including shopping, which at Lock and Terra Mall. You've got the medical center close by. You've got the University of Texas at San Antonio, as well as several shopping centers, restaurants, and entertainment, and everything you could think of. But as you'll see here in a minute, these are some unique homes with the layout and design that they have with them. And if you have any questions on pricing, availability, incentives, or anything else real estate related, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. But for now, let's go ahead and take a look inside. All right, y'all, thank you so much for sticking around and checking out this incredibly and unique home here by Chesmar Homes today. I think it's a unique design for a community, and please let me know down in the comments, could you see yourself living in a neighborhood like this where there's minimal yard, you're very close to your neighbors, but you have a unique house? There's not many homes like this around San Antonio that I've seen. So please let me know down in the comments if you could see yourself living in this community. And if you're thinking, hey Brock, this is the house for me, or maybe you have another house in mind, please reach out to me. I'd be more than happy to help you get an amazing deal on this house or any other home out there, as I've got an amazing working relationship with a lot of the builders out there, including Chesmar Homes. So please use me to your advantage, put me in your corner, let me fight for you to get an amazing deal, take advantage of all those incentives that are being offered, and see if we can sneak in some freebies. Maybe we can get some blinds, or maybe, the fridge thrown in as well. But thank you one last time for watching this video. If you haven't already, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel and tap that bell icon so that you'll be the first to learn about the current market right here in San Antonio, Texas. You'll also be able to be the first to see some more beautiful homes all over the city. So don't want to miss that. But with that, thank you. And I hope you have an incredible day. Can't wait to talk to you soon.